Hello everyone, let's discuss few sums from the class 9 math chapters triangles and Heron's formula. Section A, first question, it is given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FDE and AB is given as 5 centimeter, angles B and A are given, that is angle B is 40 degree and angle A is 80 degree. Then which of the following is true? 4 options are given. First, what is given? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FDE. So, from triangle ABC, first we can write AB is 5 centimeter, angle B is 40, angle A is 80. Then using angle sum property of a triangle, we can find it as angle C is equal to 60 degree. So, by CPCTC for the given congruency, we can write AB is FD, BC is DE, CA is EF, then A is F, B is D, C is E for the angles. So, using those CPCTC, finally we can write FD is AB, which is given as 5 centimeter, and angle E is angle C, which is given as 60 degree. Therefore, correct option is FD is 5 centimeter and angle E is 60 degree. Next, second question. In the given figure, if AD is median, then find the angle BAD. So, just observe the figure, these two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle. When two sides are equal, we can tell that base angles are equal, that is angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So, angle B is given as 35 degree, then C is also 35 degree using isosceles triangle property. Then using ASP, that is angle sum property of a triangle, we can find out the third angle, that is A angle 110. Now come to median part. Median means divides the base into two equal parts. So AD divides BC into two equal parts, that is BD and CD are equal. So by proving the triangles congruent, we can arrive answer for this sum, that is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD because these two sides are equal and AD is common and BD and CD are equal. By SSS congruency, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Then by CPCTC we can tell angle A is divided into two equal parts, that is BAD and CAD are equal. But already we found angle A is 110 degree. Therefore, angle BAD is 55 degree. So, correct option is C. Then, third question, in two triangles ABC and DEF, if AB is DE, BC is DF and AC is EF, then find out the correct option. So, just observe the given part. Triangle namings are ABC and DEF, and AB is DE and BC is DF given, but it should be BC is EF. Then AC is DF, it should be AC is DF, but it is not given in that way and we cannot tell the triangles are congruent. So these three options are not possible. So the correct option is none of this D. Next, fourth question, if the bisector of vertical angle of a triangle is perpendicular to the base, then the triangle is any one of the four options. The bisector of vertical angle of triangle is perpendicular to the base. So angle bisector of angle A is perpendicular to the base, that is base angle is divided into that line divides base into two equal parts, also perpendicular, that forms 90 degree. Since the angle bisector is triangle ABC is split into two right angle triangles, that is ABD and ACD. So each of this triangle has one angle is 90 degree and the top angle will be bisector of A, that is A by 2. So just consider this A by 2 plus 90 plus B is 180 degree, that is B is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Similarly, we can tell angle C is also 90 minus C by 2. So this is possible when the two base angles are equal, then two sides are also equal, then obviously it is isosceles triangle, and similarly we can prove other two sides are equal, then the triangle will be equilateral triangle, only possibility. Therefore correct option is equilateral. Then fifth question, in the given figure find the measure of BOC, so this angle. So bisectors of base angle meets at O, we have to find out that angle only. So outer bigger triangle A plus B plus C is 180 degree. So let us consider angle B is X and angle C is Y. Then 40 plus X plus Y plus 40 plus X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So from that we can write X plus Y is equal to 140. So here this line is bisector and this line is bisector. Then x by 2 plus y by 2 plus BOC is 180 degree. Then using this relation x plus y is equal to 140 degree, we can find out BOC is equal to 110. So the correct option is D, 110. Then sixth sum, if the edges of triangular board are given as 35 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 61 centimeter, then the length of the longest altitude they are asking. So longest altitude means we have to consider shortest base. So longest altitude means we have to consider shortest base. To find out the longest altitude, first we need to find out the area. So area using Heron's formula, that is Heron's formula is root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So using Heron's formula, area of a triangle is 840 centimeter square. Then equating this area with half into base into 8, and the question asked is longest altitude. Longest altitude means base should be shortest. So out of 3, the shortest length is 35 centimeter. So if base is 35 centimeter, then using this area we can tell height is 25 root 5 centimeter. Therefore correct option is C. Next question, the length of each side of an equilateral triangle having an area 9 root 3 centimeter square. So area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 a square, and equating that with given value we can find out a is equal to 6 centimeter. Correct option is B. Then 8th question, assertion reasoning type. So assertion is given as triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle C and angle A are equal, and BC is 4 centimeter, AC is 5 centimeter, AB is 4 centimeter. Then reason is in a triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So by reading the statement itself, we can tell reason is correct. Then come to assertion part. So in a triangle ABC, what is given? BC is 4 centimeter and AC is 5 centimeter and AB is 4 centimeter. So these two sides are equal means then the triangle is isosceles only. Then AB is obviously 4 centimeter. Yes, it is correct. So assertion is also correct and reason is also correct. But here we are telling, sides are equal. But in reason here we are telling angles are equal. Both are correct but both are not related. So correct option is B. Both assertion and reason are correct and the reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Then section B, 2 mark questions. In the given figure, angle X is equal to Y and AB side is equal to CB. Prove that AE, these two lines AE and CD are equal. So what is given first? So only congruency. Let's see what are the things are available for congruency. First, what is given? Angle X and angle Y are equal and AB and CB are equal. Then to prove AE is equal to CD. Now consider triangle ABE and then triangle CBD. If we prove these two triangles are congruent, by CP/CT we can tell these two sides are equal. So angle X is angle Y, that is exterior of these two angles. So ABE, exterior of these two angles, and angle YE is exterior of this one. So exterior angles are equal, then AB and CB are equal and angle B is common. Then by SAS criteria, triangles are, not SAS, by ASA criteria, triangles are congruent. Therefore by CP/CTC we can tell AE and CD are equal. Next, 10th question. The sides of triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. So simple, ratios are given. Let us consider sides as 3x, 5x and 7x. Then adding everything you will get 300. The x value will be 20 meter. Then semi-perimeter is 150 because perimeter by 2, that is 150. Now using Heron's formula, that is s into root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, and semi-perimeter is 150. Then the sides are 60, 100, 140. We can find out area as 1500 root 3 meter square. And then section C, 3 mark, find the area of the shaded region. So find the area of the shaded region means this part we have to find out. In triangle ABC, this part, this area we have to find out. For that, first we have to find out area of outer triangle minus area of inner triangle. But for that we need first of all what is the length of AB. Here it is given as 90 degree, that is in triangle ADB. This is 90 means using Pythagoras theorem we can find out AB length. So AB is 13 centimeter. Then go for triangle ABC using Heron's formula. Again you can find out area of a triangle as 42 centimeter square. So that is area of outer triangle is 42. Then here area is 30. Since it is right angle triangle, we can use a half into product of its legs as area. So you will get half into 12 into 5, 30 centimeter square. So 42 minus 30, 12 centimeter square is area of the shaded region. Then section D, 5 mark question. So in triangle ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle. Two isosceles triangle which is ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC, and vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. So this vertex and this vertex they are talking about. If AD is extended to intersect BC at P, then show that ABD and ACD, first we have to prove these two triangles are congruent, then we have to prove these two triangles are congruent, then we have to tell AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC, then we have to tell AD bisects angle A as well as angle D. So first, given that ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base, then to prove all the given terms. Then first one, consider triangle ABD and then triangle ACD. So AB is AC because isosceles triangle, then BD is CD, again it is isosceles triangle, then AD is common. Then by SSS criteria we can tell triangles are congruent. Now by CPCTC we can tell that top angles are equal, which implies BAD is equal to CAD implies BAP is also equal to CAP, which implies angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Mark it as 1 and 2. Now second part, consider in triangle ABP and ACP, AB and AC are isosceles, BAP and CAP are equal from first part. Then AP is common, so using SAS congruence rule we can tell triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. So then for third part, from 2 we can tell BP and CP are equal and APB and APC are equal by CPCTC. But APB and APC forms linear pair angles. In a linear pair, angles are equal means we can tell those two angles are equal to 90 degree. So BP and CP are equal and APB and APC are equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we can tell AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Then fourth part, from 1 we can tell AP is the angle bisector of A, obviously. Then 180 minus ADB is equal to 180 minus ADC. When equals are subtracted from equals, then the remainders are also equal using that concept. So 180 minus ADB is nothing but BDP, then 180 minus ADC is nothing but CDP. So from this we can tell AP is the bisector of D as well. Thank you.